Hey guys, today I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys this recipe for cream-filled horns. They are so delicious, and the best part, they're easy to make and they will impress all your guests. Let's get started. Alright everyone, so first we're going to start off here with our puff pastry dough. I have it on a lightly floured surface and we're going to be rolling it out so it's about 1 inch bigger on each side. Next, with our pizza cutter, we're going to be cutting out the strips. Here I got about 7 strips cut out. Now we're putting them off to the side and we're going to start with our molds for our horns. Here I'm using ice cream cones. These are great to use. You can use them more than once if you're making a lot of horns. I'm lining them in foil and then we're going to put them off to the side. Now that our horns are all covered in foil, we're going to wrap them with our puff pastry and we're going to be overlapping the dough a little so that there's no openings. After you have all your horns wrapped, we're going to put this on a parchment lined baking sheet and we're going to brush them lightly with the egg wash. And then we're going to pop them in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Here they are, nice and golden brown. We're going to twist off the cones and then we're going to start preparing our chocolate ganache that we're going to be dipping them in. Here we have chocolate chips and we're adding some of our whipping cream. We're going to pop this into the microwave for a few seconds and now we're going to be dipping our cones inside. Now we're going to pop these into the fridge for a few seconds to harden the chocolate. This is the first part of our filling we're going to be making, a basic whipped cream. I'm adding powdered sugar and vanilla, and I'm going to be beating this until firm peaks form. Now we're going to be preparing the first part of our filling. We have here some milk with an instant white chocolate pudding mix, and we're going to whisk this up and put it in the fridge a few seconds. Now I'm simply just folding the pudding into the whipped cream and we're going to fill it in a pastry bag. Now for the fun part, we're going to be filling our horns and we're going to be dusting them with powdered sugar. These are so great, you guys. They're not too sweet and everybody always loves them. The ingredients are listed down below. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.